Hello everyone, myself Ram Babu. Today I am going to present what is SQL Server Integration Services. In a short, it is a SSIS. What is SSIS? SSIS is a component of SQL Server database software that can be used to perform a broad range of data integration and data transformation tasks. It is designed for data integration and workflow for data extraction, transformation, and load operation used in the data warehousing. And it is mainly SSIS can be used for extracting the data from wide variety of sources such as Excel files, flat files, XML files, relational databases, and transform, slice and dices them as per your requirements, and finally load the data into the destination. Below diagram shows the some of the examples regarding SSIS. We have one application that is having the operational data in a flat file, Excel file, and relational databases. Once we are having the source data, we need one ETL tool, that is SSIS. We need to process the data, and we need to load that data into the database or data warehouse. This is today today's section about what is SSIS. If it is likes you, please subscribe my channel Lakshmi Skills. Thank you. Thanks everyone.